In this video, I will show you how to accept donations on your site. The donations form block allows you to accept debit and credit card payments for donations, contributions, and tips, utilizing Stripe to process payments securely. To add the donations block to your site, visit your dashboard, navigate to Appearance, and click Editor. And then open the relevant page you want to add your content. In this case, the home page. Locate where you want to add the donations block, and then we can use the shortcut /donations and insert the block. If this is your first time using any WordPress.com payments features, we'll prompt you to connect your WordPress.com account to Stripe, the payment processor used to collect your funds. When you are ready, click the Connect button. You'll be redirected to Stripe to sign in or create a new account. Then you will be prompted to enter your business and bank details and authorize the connection. Please take note, any money you earn using WordPress.com payments will go into your Stripe account, and WordPress.com never has any access to the money you earn. From your Stripe account, you can move your earnings to the personal bank account of your choice. To check if your site is connected to Stripe, make your way to Jetpack, click Monetize, and then open the Payment Settings tab. And at the bottom below Settings, we can see that this site is connected to Stripe. So now with my Stripe account connected to my site, I can go ahead and add the donations block as before. When you first add the donations form block, it will include options for one-time, monthly, and yearly payments. And when you open the sidebar settings on the right, you can choose whether to show or hide additional donation options. For example, if you toggle off the annual donation option, the yearly tab will disappear from the donation form. Or you can remove the option for visitors to choose how much they would like to donate. The donations form will offer 3 suggested amounts, $5, $15, and $100 for your donors to choose from. To change the default amounts, click directly on the prices and type the new amounts. And if you offer one-time, monthly, and yearly donation options, ensure that you set up the price for each option in its respective tab. Next, in the block toolbar, also select the currency in which the payment will be collected. You can also fully edit the text within the donations form block to make it more personalized. Let's look at 3 examples. The first one is for Movember. The second one is for an animal shelter. And the last one is for a food bank. Let's go ahead and modify our example. I will update the heading for the one-time donation and add some text to our thank you message. Once you are happy with the appearance of your donation form, you can save or publish the page. And then we can preview our site as we are now ready to accept donations. And remember, you can add additional donation form blocks throughout your site as needed. I also wanted to point out, if you have created a dedicated donate page, you can also link to it from other parts of your site. In this example, I'm going to add a call to action button. So I'll type /buttons and insert the block. Write donate, go to link in the block toolbar, search for the donate page, and then link the page. Then we can save our changes and preview our site. And when we click the call to action, it will take us to our designated donate page. Also note, WordPress.com will send you a notification email when you receive a donation, and a donor will receive an acknowledgement and thank you email. Once your donation form is live on your postal page, share the URL with your social media followers, email lists, friends, and family. This is a great way to increase visibility and attract more traffic, making it easier for people to find and support you. Once somebody makes a donation on your site, you may consider sending them a personal email to express your gratitude. Keeping in touch with your supporters is a great way to build community, strengthen your brand, and encourage continued support. Please note that the fees for payments are based on the WordPress.com plan you have and are calculated as a percentage of your revenue. And Stripe also charges its own standard processing fee on every payment. As your revenue grows, upgrading your plan can help you keep more of what you earn. To view and manage your donors, track payments, and view your earnings, go to Jetpack and click Monetize. Below earnings, you can track your monthly as well as total earnings. And when you click Active Paid Subscriptions, you will be able to view and manage all your donors. When you click the 3 vertical dots, you can view individual donors, and when you click Export top right, you'll be able to download a CSV file of all your donors. With your donation form live and your supporters just one click away, you can start inviting your community to contribute to your work. Keep sharing your page, stay engaged, and continue building momentum around your mission.